channel. It's Hayden, and today I'm back with another video. As you guys have read by the title, today is going to be my initial review. I kind of don't want to call it an initial review because I've had this hair for a while. For this hair that I received from Hairspells. Now, if you're a returning subscriber, you already know that I have done two reviews for Hairspells before, and it's usually been their curly hair, and now I decided to try out some of their loose wavy hair or wavy hair, whichever you want to call it. This is just going to be my review on it. So I tried out some of their wavy hair, and this is just going to be my review on it. I'm going to try and make this as quick and simple for you guys. So I'm about to pull up the specs of this unit on my phone, so bear with me as I read. So this is Hairspells 130% density virgin human hair loose wave lace frontal wig natural color 1B. I got 24 inches, and this hair is Peruvian hair. So it is $162 for this wig. And like, when I looked at that price, because I was on the website like looking to see how affordable it was, I was honestly so shocked. I'm like, why is this hair so cheap? But I know Hairspells usually has really inexpensive hair, so if you guys are on a budget, I'm telling y'all these wigs are the way to go. Beauty on a budget. And I'll also have a promo code in the description box below if you guys want that. That's the specs of this hair, and I've had this wig in for about 2 weeks now. I've been like trying to work on wearing my wigs longer before I give my review, just because it's like a little bit better to give like a more valid review instead of, you know, giving you guys a review right when I put the hair on my head and then coming back saying something else later in a vlog or something like that. I've had this hair in for a minute. As soon as I got the hair, I took it out of the packaging. It came really fast. This wig came in like literally 2 days, honestly. I don't know, maybe it was like express shipping because previously it's taken like 3 or 4 days, but this time I sent them this wig because I wanted to try this wig specifically, and then boom, like it came 2 days later. I'm like, what the heck? So when it came through, I believe it shipped through DHL, and it came in this bag. They always have these nice little bags, and if you know me, you know I love a bag because gotta just put the wig in there. And what's great about their bags is that they have a bag inside of a bag, so you get 2 bags, and then the wig is usually in here, and then they have like this little stuffing inside of it with the net around it, and they also send little goodies, which are these little eyelashes. So these are cute, thanks for them. And then the tags for the hair, and this, like, they give you a little coupon. My coupon code right now is HSRE12, but I also have my own personalized coupon code. Oh yeah, automatic pros. It ships super fast, it's really cheap, and the hair comes pre-plucked. So that's what I really love about Hairspells wigs. They are pre-plucked. Like every single wig that I get is pre-plucked. I literally don't have to do much to it. I usually just bleach my knots and tint the lace, and that's it. And that's exactly what I did for this unit. So yeah, it didn't really take too much work, and I did customize it up a little bit more, but I was wearing it in the side part for about a week, and now I've had it in the middle part for a while. I'm really feeling this hair, honestly. There are some cons that I will mention when I get to that, but just for now, to hop into the pros, yeah, the shipping, the cost, and the quality of the hair, like it's really easy to manipulate this hair. And it also has an adjustable strap inside of it, so if you want to, if the cap is too big for your head, then of course you can make it smaller. It's really great. And then the hair is like really soft and pretty. I really do like the wave pattern. Some people think it's curly hair, but I think they might think that because of the product that I put in it, and I usually always put the same product. So before I hop into the cons, I'm just going to tell you guys what I usually do for this hair. So I like to use my Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curling Enhancing Smoothie. I use this stuff on all of my curly or wavy hair units, and I like it because it usually gives like a heavy hold, and it gives it like a wet look. People are always asking me how I get that. This is how I get it, using this stuff. I will also use a little cheap Dimlim brush that I got from the beauty supply store. And I just wanted to give an honorable mention to Sally's, because I went to the beauty supply store and I saw this, and it was like $3.60 spray bottle, and I bought it, and I'm like, this was like the greatest spray bottle that I've ever had. Like I paid for this with my own money, and I'm like, if y'all ever need a spray bottle for your curly hair or wavy hair units, go to Sally's and pick one of these up. Like this spray bottle is the truth. Like it's like I don't even know how to explain how it sprays, but let's go ahead and say it's 360 spraying. And I've been using this. So I wet my hair, comb it out, and then I'll put my curling enhancing smoothie, and then I'll comb it out some more, wet it some more until it gets to the desired look. And right now the hair is kind of damp, but it looks nice when it dries. It looks nice when it's wet, but I feel like it looks a little bit more curly when it's wet. But yeah, once again, natural wave. On to the cons. So the cons that I have to say about this hair is that it's kind of dry. But I think this product might dry it out, because usually this is like a really heavy hold, so I think I might not use this product in it anymore. But I wore this hair without any product in it for like the first 2 or 3 days, and it was like poofy. I didn't have anything against it, but I do like my hair to look like flat on my head. But yeah, when I didn't have any product in it, it was really nice. But once I put this product in it, it kind of makes it like dry when it dries. So maybe you would just want to put some oil in it and stuff like that. But honestly, it's not that bad. Like, the hair is still bomb. And then the tangling, it does tangle. It's not like super bad tangling or anything like that, but of course, like, I'm combing out the hair all the time, and I've done this hair every day since I got it, and it's been like 2 weeks. So yeah, I was expecting that. Sometimes it gets a little dry and it does tangle. Shedding, it's kind of minimal, not too bad with the shedding, but of course, like, you know, curly hair, wavy hair units, they're always the ones that tangle and shed a little bit more than straight hair, of course. Otherwise it would be like a huge problem. Now, I wouldn't say that this is one of my favorite wigs that I reviewed from Hairspells, because I really do love Hairspells curly hair. So Hairspells curly hair honestly has me. It's not to say that I'm not a fan of wavy hair, I just wanted to try something different. And then it's like, you ever get that feeling when you want to try something different, then you try it, and then you're like, dang, like, I want to go back to my old ways. That's kind of what I got with this. Now I just want to go and put my curly unit on from Hairspells. But you already know, Hairspells is my favorite company for curly hair, bombdiggity.com. but this wavy hair is still bomb too. If you don't like super curly hair and you want some wavy hair, I say get it, because it looks good, you know. Yeah, and this unit is 24 inches, so I'll show you guys like what this looks like on me. I am 5'6.5", and it comes like down to like kind of like my hip, but this density is also not too thick. I believe it was 130. It'll be in the description box below. I already read it. This is like a really naturalistic density. I do like it because it's just like, it's not too much, it's not too thick, but it's also not thin, and it looks really good. So I'll show you guys what it looks like from the back. So yeah, I really do like the texture of this hair. Honestly, when I look at the wave pattern, it makes me really happy. And yeah, it's just like really pretty and voluminous. And of course, with the lace frontal, it's versatile. You already know, did my baby hairs. This wig did come pre-plucked. All I did was bleach it and tint the lace, and then I customized up like the part in like a little bit of the baby hairs, but honestly not too much. Like, if you're like a beginner, I feel like Hairspells wigs are the best, because they literally come pre-plucked, and they're not like one of those companies that lie and say it's pre-plucked and then it's really not when you get the wig. But yeah, so shout out to Hairspells for this unit. I love it. Curly hair is honestly more of a fave for me, but I wanted to try something new, so I definitely give this hair an 8 out of 10. It's really good hair. If you're looking for some nice, good, cheap, affordable, wavy hair, then this is the wig for you, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys do have any comments, please feel free to comment down below. Also, if anybody is wondering, I got my outfit from No Style USA. By the time you watch this video, I probably posted a picture of it or posted it on my story. Go to No Style USA for the cute clothes, y'all. I'll have the link to this outfit in the description box below as always. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching. Bye.